Okay, After Dark Lite. I just tried it, installing it from another wizard, and it didn't work. So it should be available, or will be available on 3 different wizards. So let's try the realist wizard. So go to your downloader app. Let's just clear this, not that one. We don't want that page because that didn't work. Okay, start again. So let's use downloader code 7616669. Now this site is pretty slow at downloading. Oh, but it's doing it quite fast. Good, good. Okay, click install. Let's click open, continue, allow. Click OK. Press the select button to close the screen. Click on yes. Right, go down the list. You're looking for After Dark Lite. There it is. Okay. Now there is an After Dark build here. That's the bigger version. But this Lite version is basically, what is it? Basically what? It's basically Skeletor and After Dark mixed. You know what I mean? But it's smaller and it's faster. So let's click on that. Now it is an adult build as well, so just be careful with it. Okay, I think that is it. Click OK. There's the icon. Click on it. Now with builds, you should really allow it to, well, you need to allow everything to kick in, like the add-ons to upload, download, the build to actually build up, like the widgets. I can't go down anymore just in case. Yes, I can, yeah, because it's not ready yet. What else you have to allow for? Yeah, we haven't seen the wizard pop up as well, populate. So wait a bit. And what I always recommend people to do is shut it down. It means exit into the top left. Go to your app settings, full stop, clear cache, launch it. Now doing this is better doing it with big builds, but I think this one's got quite a few widgets, so might as well. Like I said, we just want to see the wizard kick in. This build has I think about 1 or 2 video add-ons, I believe. I tell a lie. Yeah, it's 1 or 2 movie video add-ons, and the other, I think there's a couple of no, we've got lots of add-ons in there, haven't we? Yeah. I wonder if I go up. Yeah, that's it. If I go up like that, then it'll take me to here, because I don't want to go in the XX section as yet, but we're just waiting for it to populate. Yeah, it's all coming. So you've got a number of add-ons here, which you go from the add-on list. Sports, live TV, from the adult section. If I go down, movie stuff for here. What else? TV shows as well. Now, like I said to you, you need to wait for the wizard to pop up, and I don't think it has. One way to test this, after about 5 seconds, it should play a trailer. Oh, it should be fine then. Yeah, so he's playing trailers. Good, good, good. All right. So what do I do? Go up. Yeah, there you go. I don't know what else to say about this build there, guys, but like I say, it's got the best of both the main After Dark and, say, a movie TV show build such as Predator, Skeletor, or Night Owl. Nice and fast. You've got automatic trailers. That's about it. All right. Enjoy.